Oh my god, stop. Oh, you are so...
What's problem?
You are not professional. Oh my god. You know it is very dangerous. In this one we always put in marble cutter. And shaking.
Oh.
Where is your wheel gut? And where is your set handle? Very professional. Now you try again. Assemble this. Use the correct.
Can you show me?
Okay, I'll show you. Okay, first, when we use this angle grinder, we must assemble this. Okay, this wheel gut. Assemble like this. Okay, give me a screwdriver. Yeah. Okay, it is very tight now. Before we said you are not very professional because this is very dangerous. Professional worker, they will use this. If we are not professional, especially you are a woman, you better not use this. Yeah. As we can see, this disc have two sides, and this side we need down, and this side need up. Okay, assemble like this. And now we need to use this. And here also have two sides. This one is down. This side is down. Okay. And if like this is not correct. Okay. Now it's finished. We need to put here. Okay, very tight now. And we also need to assemble this set handle. Two sides is okay. Now I assemble here. This side, right side. You can use this now. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.